So, Huawei's chip war with the US just took another wild turn, and this time things are getting serious in court. After years of back and forth, a US judge has officially rejected Huawei's request to dismiss criminal charges. Yup, the same case that's been running since 2018. The one where Meng Wanzhou, Huawei's CFO, was detained in Canada for 3 whole years before she could return to China. The US court now says Huawei must face the charges, and it's not just about 1 or 2 things. We're talking about 16 criminal counts, including stealing trade secrets from 6 other companies and bank fraud. According to the judge, Huawei allegedly expanded its global operations by doing some shady moves behind the scenes. One name that keeps popping up in this case is Skycom, a Hong Kong company that the US claims acted as Huawei's front in Iran. The court believes Huawei misled banks into thinking Skycom wasn't connected to them, which allowed them to bypass sanctions and keep business going in a country where they legally shouldn't have been doing business. But wait, there's more. Another US chip maker just got caught in the storm. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor, or AOS, has now agreed to pay a $4.25 million fine for secretly selling chips to Huawei. AOS is a well-known US chip company. They make powerful components like power controllers and smart power stages. And since 2019, they've apparently been shipping around 1,650 high-end components to Huawei, all without proper export licenses. See, once Huawei landed on the US banned list in 2019, no one was allowed to sell them advanced tech without a green light from the US government. But AOS allegedly went ahead anyway, and now after 5 years of investigation, they're paying the price. And here's the thing, the Department of Justice didn't press criminal charges on AOS, but the Commerce Department still fined them after catching them violating export rules. So yeah, all of this just adds more fuel to the fire. While Huawei is making bold moves with Harmony OS, AI chips, and next-gen phones, the legal pressure from the US hasn't slowed down one bit. It's clear that the US is keeping a very close eye on anything connected to Huawei, whether it's chips, software, or global bank transactions. And with court cases still active and more investigations popping up, this tech war is far from over. Let's see where this goes. But one thing's for sure, Huawei is fighting battles not just in tech, but in the courtroom too. What do you think gonna happen now? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.